For more updates, click on subscribe and click on bell button for latest notifications. Hi friends, welcome to Tech ARK YouTube channel. My name is Ravi. In this video session, we are going to learn about databases. So what is database and how you can use database services and what they're helpful for us and how you can use here. So databases are widely used in real-time world in various application systems and industries. Here are a few examples. Examples is that you have an e-commerce site, right? Amazon website or amazon.com or amazon.in, right? Websites are used to store product catalogs and customer data and order history. So example say that you would like to look for some product information, right? Some shirt, shoes or anything, so they have the product catalogs to look at your product. So what is the product is about and what they do and all this stuff, the information about the product, right? And whenever you are booking any buying anything, right, so they also store your customer information, like so and so is the person, so and so is the address, mobile number and your credit card information and all, right? Once you place your order, so the order history also is stored in the database. So if you are using the database for the healthcare industry, also store for your patient information, right? What is the treatment they do and all this stuff. And banking sectors, so they basically do your financial instrumentations like the financial data. So what the bank account and what bank account is held by which person, how much how amount they have, balance sheet and all this stuff. If you use for any social media platforms like in a Facebook or Instagram or any other stuff, for them they actually store their user profiles, posts, photos, videos and other content. So this is for any social media platforms. So if you use for any logistics and transport, so they also use for any managing shipping and logistics data, including the inventory levels, like how many shipments completed, how many shipments still pending, when they do deliver, all this stuff. So overall, the databases play a crucial role in modern applications and systems. So if without database, you cannot design any applications, or any application won't run without the database. So that is the part of your regular thing. So whatever you are accessing online, so they have almost every service will have a database associated with that service, a small or big or whatever it is, and provides a reliable and efficient and secure way to store and manage the data in various industries and use cases. So that is the example use cases. You can see that e-commerce, healthcare, banking, social media, logistic and transport, so and so, right? So there is a relational database with the Amazon. Those are the services we have here, which is called Amazon Web Services Relational Databases, right? Which is called Relational Database Service. RDS is a managed database service that provides a scalable, reliable and easy to use platform for deploying, operating and scaling databases in cloud. So basically this is a managed database service. So you don't need to install the database service, you don't need to do any configuration stuff. You just go and spin up an RDS instance, pick up one, and what is the database type you want, you just pick up one and use it and store the data. So for e-commerce, databases are used to store the product catalogs, customer data, so on and so. Supports a popular database engines. So example, Aurora, PostgreSQL, MySQL, MariaDB, Oracle and MS SQL. So which offers availability and fault tolerance using the multi-available zone deployments. Example say that one availability zone goes down, then the database is automatically replicated to the secondary availability zone, and database would be available continuously without any operation. So if any fault, fault tolerance will be there for these RDS services. So AWS manages the database with automatic software patching. So you need to bother about what patching levels you have and all. So they will manage the patching details and all for that particular instance. And they also do an automatic backups for your database DBs, right? So that in case something goes wrong or somebody deleted any table or any data within the table, you can recover using those automated backup stuff. Operating systems and maintenance will be done by the AWS itself. You don't need to bother about what is the backend operating system and what is this maintenance and all. Launch read replicas across regions in order to provide enhanced performance and durability. So read replicas are the read-only copies. Example, say that you have a database and you have a read-only copy. Example, if you want to run any reports, you don't need to run on production database. So the read replicas will be available on the database, right, which is an exactly clone of your production database. You can use these read replicas to run reports or any high workloads on that, so your production performance won't be affected with that. So that's the another one RDS service will provide. So what are the RDS services are available on Amazon? Here you can see that Neptune, DynamoDB, Amazon ElastiCache, DocumentDB, Aurora. So these are all the services available. And let's see what is Amazon Aurora and what it provides. So Aurora is a MySQL and PostgreSQL compatible relational database. So which is a relational database, which is a RDS database management system. So RDBMS that is designed for performance, availability, and scalability. Supports MySQL and PostgreSQL database engines, right? If you want to migrate your on-premises PostgreSQL or MySQL databases, the destination would be Aurora, would be the correct one to do that, and scales automatically while providing durability and high availability. So you don't need to worry about how much scale the Aurora can scale, right? So it will automatically do that. You don't need to bother about that. So it is a 5x faster than a normal MySQL and 3x faster than your normal PostgreSQL, whatever you install in your on premises, right? So that's the fastest service they provide on AWS. Underlying hardware and software maintenance is taken care by the AWS because it's a managed service. You don't need to bother about that. One of the key feature for Amazon Aurora is ability to automatically scale its compute and storage resources to match the needs of the workload. So how much workload you put, that much Aurora will grow automatically, so you don't need to bother about that. So that's the major feature of your Aurora database. This means that can handle high volumes of transactions and requests with ease, making it good choice of applications with unpredictable and rapidly changing workloads. Example, say like on-premises database, if you take it, right? So you push some GBs of data, terabytes of data if you want to load on premises. So you need more compute resources and storage resources first. You need to check that, then you can push the data. But here you don't need to check that, just push it, it will automatically scale to your requirement. So that's the beauty of Amazon Aurora. So let's see one more database service, which is called as a DynamoDB. Is designed to provide fast and predictable performance as well as seamless scalability, making it popular choice for building modern cloud native applications. So if you're using the cloud native applications, so DynamoDB is the best one. Is a document and key value database that offers flexible data modeling options, allowing developers to store, retire any amount of data of any data type, any scale. So which means that key value pair. So example, you provide, say, what is your name? My name is so and so. What is your date of birth? My date of birth is so and so. So there is a key value pair. So key value pair is a one key, another is in a value, one key, another is in a value. So that those are in a key value pairs which can store on DynamoDB, and this is more flexible for the document store. Basically, it's not in a relational database. So it also supports ACIT, Atomicity, consistency, isolation, and durability. So this is in a very popular things, and these features will make your database always available and scalable. Okay, transactions enable multiple write operations to be performed at the same time while maintaining the data consistency. So automatic scales it throughput capacity based on the demand. So the throughput will be automatically scales based on the demand, and it is a non-relational database. It's not a relational database. That's why I say that key value database. It's called key you have and the key value you have. So Amazon DocumentDB. DocumentDB is a no SQL database service that allows users to store query database JSON documents. Example, say that you just throw in a JSON database file, the JSON file into this database, so it can be stored. It's fully managed service and highly scalable and highly available database that provides fast and predictable performance with low latency. So it's a document database, MongoDB compatible. So if you have on-premises MongoDB, you can convert that to the DocumentDB and AWS service if you want. Fully managed and serverless and not non-relational database. Amazon ElastiCache. So this is an in-store database. Example, say that ElastiCache is a fully managed in-memory data store compatible with Redis and Memcached. Okay, so it is just designed to help users speed up their applications by storing frequently accessed data in memory, reducing the need to access the underlying database. Example, say that if you are going and accessing some files frequently, right, so that files will kept on in memory. So that example, say that in RAM, right, so if your application is opened, that application will be go to your RAM. Similar, like the RAM access would be much faster than the hard drive, because the hard drive goes to the multiple spindles and see the data, but in memory database is just like flash. Okay, so ElastiCache is commonly used for web and mobile applications that require low latency access to frequently accessed data. So that is the major one. So data can be lost because here in memory, right, the memory restarts, then your memory data will be gone. So that's the catch here. So whatever the data you would like to keep it, that should be only for an access, not for a permanent or persistent store. Okay, offers high performance and low latency. Of course, it would be an in-memory access. It should be high performance compared to the other database services. So Amazon Neptune is a fully managed graph database, supports highly connected data sets. Example, say that you have multiple data sets, you wanted to draw a graphs, right, a designing dashboards, right, so that would be the main Neptune is used for. So Neptune is built on high performance distributed graph database engine that can store billions of relationships and traverse them with millisecond latency. So that's amazing one. So you can billions of relationships you can build to that graph. So that's amazing, right? And fully managed services, and it is on a serverless again, and it's a fast and reliable service. So that's the major thing about the relational database and database services on Amazon. So that's all about this video. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned. Please subscribe to the channel for more upcoming videos and courses. Do share with your friends and family members so that they also learn along with you.
Follow us on social media networks. To join WhatsApp group, please follow this link. Join Telegram group. http://t.me/LinuxArkit 3000 members joined. To download all scripts and slides used in the video, visit GitHub. https://github.com/techarkit/ Facebook private group 5000 members. https://www.facebook.com/groups/techarkit Facebook page https://www.facebook.com/techarkit. Twitter tweet for the reply https://twitter.com/tech_arkit. Instagram do follow https://www.instagram.com/arkit.co.in/. Patreon https://patreon.com/techarkit. Follow the blog for more up-to-date articles https://arkit.co.in. Blog https://techarkit.blogspot.com/. Reddit to join the discussions, questions and answers https://www.reddit.com/r/techarkit. Tumblr blog https://www.tumblr.com/blog/techarkit. Email us if you get any questions aravikumar48@gmail.com. Post your topic, we will make videos for you. https://forums.glay/m4esun1 zspshu89